kill switch. We got a new battery from Walmart, 90 bucks plus tax, 100 bucks. Not a bad deal. 35N, 3-year warranty. So we're going to put this in and see if this fires it up, because the last battery was at 21%, and then I went to charge it at AutoZone and that thing ended up leaking and went to 0%. So bad battery. Hopefully this is the issue. The battery's heavy, man. Got a kill switch here and pop that on. Same issue. Change the spark plug, the wires here, new oil filter, new battery. I don't know about the air filter.
That's the ignition coil. So usually when those get old, they don't send off a strong signal. If we change that and it still lags, that means that it's off timing. Like the distributor itself is off timing, and that's and it's time consuming to do it. Like if it's your first time doing it, it's gonna take like 30-45 minutes, but if you know what you're doing, it will take you like 10 seconds. But I don't know what I'm doing with this car.
Yeah.
Oh, this is the ignition coil.
Oh.
Right here. Where'd they go?
No. Cue the music.
Brand new.
Ready,
I was like, all right, you're not the one.
Yeah.
Unfortunately. She bought it sight unseen like an idiot, and then clearly the other girl did not care about it at all. Like she didn't do the oil changes or any of the maintenance.
Yeah.
And not saying because she's a girl she didn't understand that, but because she's a girl she didn't really understand that.
So we just installed the ignition coil.
This one right here is for your cruise control.
Oh, okay.
And this one right here is your actual throttle cable.
Uh-huh.
You see all that play?
Yeah.
So this spring right here has to get changed, and this cable is probably just stretched out, so it needs to be changed too.
You can't like tighten this part here?
No,
and screw that?
It's at the max. See right here, it'd probably go right there, but it's pretty much at the max.
Oh.
We could try right there.
Uh-huh.
New ignition coils, new spark plugs.
So the spark plugs was
It's disgusting.
that's the old one. Yeah.
Except for the burning smell.
Yeah, it was pretty bad.
Yeah. Yeah, the oil filter is literally like you have the downpipe, and then you have the oil filter right above it. So as soon as you unscrew it, all the oil drips onto the exhaust.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, it was a bad design, but...
Was this pretty easy, or you just had to unplug that and...
undo this. There were 2 bolts right there. There's the 6 bolts here. And then you take that panel off. You take all those off.
You took this off and this off. You had to clean this out a little bit, or?
I took this off, but I don't have a shop vac that could suck that much dirt out.
Oh.
See like little burn marks right there where it's supposed to make a contact. So this thing is like old.
It's a dry filter.
Yeah.
It looks pretty good.
Yeah, there's like a couple Black Widows living up there too.
Really? Black
Yeah.
Widows? Oh, man.
It isn't bad.
Yeah.
I'd definitely get a cold air intake soon.
Yeah, I was thinking of getting a cold air or a short ram.
Yeah.
Because it just goes from here to there. That's it, you know?
Yeah. There's no,
So.
no funky business with it.
Yeah. This thing's all busted. I should take that out. Why do I even need it?
You want me to cut it?
What is it for?
It's a horn.
When you honk.
Huh?
This is when you honk.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know. Just leave it in there. It's funny.
What do you got under the hood?
See if I can fix it up or not.